Assembling the CanDo Metal Ball Chair without arms. Before assembling your ball chair, review the manual included to become familiar with the parts. First, slide part C into part B. Place part B between parts H and A and secure them with the M screws. The M screws can be tightened with the Phillips screwdriver side of the tool provided. Slide the two parts labeled D into the two side slots of part F. Screw in the end screws using the Allen key side of the tool provided. The Allen key will be used to tighten all the remaining screws. Slide part B into the middle slot of part F and insert another end screw. Place part E on top of the two D parts. Make sure the side with the three holes is facing part B. Place part I over the holes where parts B and E meet. Insert the L screw into the middle hole and the two K screws into the side holes. Insert the O screws into the two holes where part E meets the two D parts. Insert the 5 wheels labeled J into the base, labeled G. This may require some force. Place the now completed piece into the base so that the hole in part F sits on the bar on the base. To pump the ball, screw part F into the pump, labeled H, and inflate the ball until it's firm. Then insert the plug labeled G, which can be found taped to the ball. The ball can now be placed into the chair. The material will expand to its full size 24 to 48 hours later, and you may finish inflating. The ball may need to be topped off periodically over time.